In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect unclosed lines into a polyline in AutoCAD. A polyline is a single continuous object that's easier to move, edit, and dimension than a collection of separate lines and arcs. If you've drawn a series of segments and want them to behave as one clean path, this walkthrough will show you two reliable ways to make that happen. First, the fastest method is the join command. In the command line, type join or just J and press enter. Then, select every line segment and arc that you want to merge into a single polyline. You can click them one by one or use a selection window to grab them all at once. When you are done selecting, press enter again. AutoCAD will attempt to join everything you picked into one continuous polyline. Keep in mind, objects must actually touch at their endpoints to join. If nothing happens, it usually means T here is a gap, an overlap, or something isn't truly connecting. Zoom in on corners and use endpoint object snaps so you can confirm that ends meet exactly. Arcs that touch at their endpoints can join too, so feel free to include them with your lines. If you want a bit more control or join doesn't produce the result you expect, use the PEDIT or Polyline edit. Command type PEDIT or PE and press enter. Click one of the lines you want in the final shape. If AutoCAD tells you the object isn't a polyline, type Y for yes to convert it. Next, choose the join option. Now select all the connected lines you'd like to include and press enter twice to finish. This turns the selected, touching segments into a single polyline. As with join, this only works when endpoints meet cleanly. If part of the geometry refuses to join, it's usually because T here is a tiny gap, a misaligned corner, or segments aren't truly collinear. Take a moment to inspect intersections closely and confirm everything is on the same plane in 2D. A few practical tips can save time. Before you start, make sure endpoint snaps are on so picks are precise. When selecting, you can deselect accidental picks before pressing enter, helping you keep the result clean. After joining, click the object and check the Properties palette to confirm it reports as a polyline, which tells you the process worked. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.